Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your English 1 class. Hope all are doing fine. In the previous class, I gave you an idea about the question pattern that will be followed in the upcoming online unit test that has been designed already. So, if you have gone through that paper properly, you already got to know about the technicalities. You know how the questions will come. It will be objective questions. There multiple choice type questions you will find there. Then fill in the blanks, true, false. This you will find. Um, I think all of you have done a great job and you answered everything correctly. Now in this class, we will be discussing about the writing skill because that is equally important and the questions will come from these areas as well. Now, as you can see on the screen, in the study material section, I have given one letter. Write a letter to your elder sister congratulating her on her success in the board exam. So, this is the topic. How I have written, starting from writing the sender's address, house number -A by 20, comma. Shipai Bazar, comma, Midnapur -721101. Now, the questions may come after writing the house number, there will be comma. Is it true or false? The answer will be true. Then the questions may also come after writing the pin code, comma will be there. Is it true? No. Full stop will be there. Now, now the date section, that is 30th June 2020. There should not be any punctuation. I am repeatedly telling you there should not be any punctuation. Then salutation, my dear Pew, comma, my dear. Not only dear, anything else you cannot write my dear Pew. Then I have written the letter. Generally a letter consists of 3 paragraphs as we know. So after writing these 3 paragraphs here, on the left hand corner I have written with love, comma, yours affectionately, comma, Ritima, full stop. Now see, with love, then comma, yours lovingly. If you are asked, there should be written yours lovingly in the second section. The answer will be no. Yours affectionately. Then the first name, only the first name of name of yours, not the surname. Then full stop. So the technicalities are very important because questions may come on these areas. Now, another is write a composition on save art. This is the topic of the composition. Then I have given a title, Save Art, Save Lives. So you know, and a heading is or a title is very much important while we start writing a composition or a story. So you may be asked a question on this area. Then comes 3 paragraphs. First is introduction, then is body, and last is conclusion. A conclusion always gives your writing a good hike and a good ending. It sums up everything that you have read so far, you have written so far. So a conclusion is an inevitable part of the composition which you cannot escape. So if you are asked a question, is a conclusion important while writing a composition, the answer will be yes. So now you can understand the questions may come from this writing skill in this manner. So I'll suggest you, do read everything, the structure, how to write a letter, following what steps, how to write a composition, everything, because you don't know how the questions will come. Better to be prepared beforehand, right? And One more thing, in the worksheet section you will find one assignment that has been given to you, that is write a composition and write a letter. The topics you will get there. Try to write on your own, following everything that you have learned so far without missing a single technique, okay, because questions will come from these areas in that way. I just informed you this thing so that you will have no difficulty in answering the questions. You already got an idea how the questions will come from grammar. Hopefully you have started practicing in that way. Now you will practice on this writing skill, okay. And one more thing, I know you all are doing good. If you have any difficulty before examination, you can ask me. I am always there to solve your problems. Tomorrow is your mock test, so best of luck. Do read well. Do read everything in detail. I am repeatedly telling you in detail all the definitions in grammar, all the examples there, and the exercises that had been solved yet, and this writing skills also. You can read out the structure of friendly letter that I already provided to you beforehand. You can read that. The composition, the type of compositions you already got to know, picture composition, descriptive composition. So these are also very important. You may be asked questions on these types and what are the features, like that. So better to be prepared with all your concentrations, and hopefully nothing will go wrong and you are going to rock in your examination, right? I'm very much hopeful. Best of luck for your examination. Till then I am not going to teach anything new. Let all of you concentrate whatever you have read so far, and then after the examination will get over, I will start with some new chapters, okay. So take care of yourself, take care of your health, because nowadays it's very necessary. If you get unfit, then the exam will be poor, which we do not want, right? And we'll meet in the next class with something new, and take care of yourself. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.